A lot of MB WhatsApp users are encountering this problem. This issue could make you very frustrated. I know. This is the reason why I'm here to help you out. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue step by step. We won't do it in a hurry, so we can all clearly understand the process. Let's check it out. Firstly, open MB WhatsApp, click on the three dots at the top right, tap on help, and then choose your country, enter your phone number, and then tap on next. Now, click on describe your problem, and then paste this exact message. You'll find this message in the comment section. Okay guys, there's an important thing we all have to know. Right here at the bottom, enter your full name. Then click on this image icon, tap on gallery, select the screenshot of the problem. Now tap on next, and then send email to WhatsApp support. Tap on the Gmail app, click on the send icon at the top right to send this request. When they receive it and respond you positively, reopen MB WhatsApp, tap on link device. After that, take a photo of this QR code. Then tap on the three dots in the middle right. After that, link devices, and then link a device. Now take the other phone to scan the recent QR code. Wow guys, as you can see, MB WhatsApp is connecting. Those steps are easy, you just need to follow them carefully. Give this video a like, subscribe if you are new here, and never miss an update. See you in the next video. Take care.